Hi guys, Ziv from Elementor here. Today I'll show you how to use the dynamic contact URL feature. This feature provides a way to quickly create smart links from any widget that has a link field, such as a button or an icon widget. There are multiple supported smart links, such as setting up message links via WhatsApp, Messenger, Viber or Skype, and adding events to your visitor's calendar. You can even help your audience navigate to your business using Waze. So let's dive in. For this tutorial, I'll be working on a page I set up before. Now, let's open this icon settings by clicking on it, and in the Content tab, click on the dynamic icon above the link field. Now, scroll down to the Actions section and choose Contact URL. In order to set it, click the Tools icon on the left or anywhere else on the field. As you can see, in the Settings drop-down, you can choose between a variety of types. Let's go over them one by one. The email type gives you the option to fill in an email address and a subject, as well as a message to the email. The tell type gives you the option to add a phone number, saving your visitor from having to search for it online. The same applies for the SMS and WhatsApp types, and as you can see, the number you filled in before will automatically appear here as well. You can change them if you like, of course. In the Skype type, you can fill in a username and decide on an action. You can choose between call, chat, show profile, add to contacts, and send voicemail. In the Messenger type, you can add a username as well. And in Viber, the number field is filled in automatically like before, so you can change it, and you can also decide on an action. You can choose between contact and add. In the Waze type, you can add a location. Just enter the address over here. The Google Calendar type gives you the option to add a title, description, and also set a location for the event. You can also set the start and end time as well. This way, you can create events for Outlook and Yahoo as well. It's exactly the same. Well, that's it. Now you know how to use the dynamic contact URL to quickly create smart links of your own. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more videos and tutorials. See you later.